you. We're out to hear with admiration.
Come down and have a little stew.
Come down and share some Christmas dinner. Be sure